to stone hands, to the hands of stone. Giving value. Value is a proposition, the way how we see things, the way how we understand the surroundings, and how we decide to neglect our inferiority complex. When we are speaking, the greatest speakers are able to value others. They are able to give value to the people that they see. They're able to make compliments. They're able to uplift others. But not by mere overuse of words, but by being cautious of making an unnecessary compliment in a wrong time, in a wrong place. Like my singing teacher. He's a master speaker and a master singer. And he listens, and I see how he hears every inch of a note that I sing. He does not say anything. Okay, let's try this exercise. Oh, my singing brethren, you are getting better. Oh, he said that I am getting better. A great master of singing told me that I'm getting better. And I'm uplifted. Because most of the time he's observing and giving me exercises and supporting my growth. So all the time he's supporting and listening. And when he spots the right time, he makes a little compliment. And when time evolves, he might say something. Oh, your singing is now good. And again, I as a practitioner, I am uplifted. He never says that this was bad. You were awful. Sometimes he may say, you can try better. You can try this. Oh, you've been sleeping late this day. Something like that. But never saying, oh, that was bad. No. Because everyone, each one of us, is able to sing. For some it may take 1 year, for some it may take 4 years. The more older a person is, more harder it is to learn to sing, but it is possible. The only obstacle that we have is in our head, saying, I cannot do that, I am not good. And the greatest mistake that we make is that we say, I am not worthy of it. So this is the part 2, when we are neglecting our self-worth. One thing is uplifting other people by listening and observing them and making this small adjustment of a compliment to uplift their souls in such a great manner. But another thing is making a compliment on ourselves. Oh, but not being stupid about it. Oh, you see, I'm so fabulous. No, but oh, look, I'm good at it. I am great in public speaking. I know how to pick the right insulation material for my home. I know the best plaster for your home, and I sincerely know it because I have studied the field. I have got an expertise. I have got a beautiful muscular tension in my body because I have been training. The self-compliment is about knowledge, knowing your background. So if we want to be self-sufficient, if we want to be self-worthy, it's really important to acknowledge our background, from where we come, our ancestry. Oh, this ancestor did that. Oh, my grandfather built a house from the silicate bricks, and he went to Siberia and he was hunting a bear there. Okay, that's a quite strong ancestry, a quite strong story. I'm proud of my grandfather, so I'm proud of myself, because I'm from the direct line of him. Two of my grandfathers fought in a Finnish civil war. One was on the side of the red, the other was a white. One lost an arm and a leg. The second one got shot on his own courtyard. That's sadness. There's a lot of sadness. But it makes me understand where I come from and which kind of traumas I have inherited from my grandfathers. And by knowing that, I know there's a huge power which I can attain, which I can acquire when I'm present with that might and power of the forefathers. When I'm able to tell my real ancestry and the real reason where I am coming from. And I can make a compliment to myself. I build a house. I know how to build a house. But where did I get my inspiration to build a house? From my grandfather and from my father. Because they have all built their own houses. They are master builders. And I am here to attain their greatness and go even further than they were. This is my goal, and this is my aspiration. My grandmother had healing hands, and when children were sick, they were taken to sleep a night with her, and they were cured from their diseases. Now, I'm doing therapy with people, learning them how to use the power of the sound, power of the voice, so they could come over their problems. That's the way of the ancestry, the lineage, that we all can aspire and make compliments. I am a gong master. I am good at this. I know, because I have experience. I have lineage and I have a goal. I have a goal to attain because my forefathers and mothers have done that. So this is a topic for you to contemplate about. I wish you all the best. And I have a homework for you. How many foremothers and forefathers can you name? Goodbye.